visitors this afternoon. Now, I'm sure all of you have come here today because you heard about an opportunity that has the potential to change your life. Now, you will be given enough information today to make a decision as to whether this is the opportunity for you that can take you from where you are today to where you want to be. Now, the person who is coming up to speak is a gentleman who is also regional director of Vital Sciences. He's someone, and I could just use this opportunity to ask you to just put your phones on vibrate, please, or on the off position, so it will not disrupt the presentation. And I go back to this gentleman who is very passionate about Vital Sciences. He has been in the business for a number of months now. I think it's about 10. Right. He is somebody who has years of experience in sales. But with all those years of experience, you will hear him say that being a part of Vital Sciences, he has learned so much. Because there's a difference in market, there's a difference in perception and so on. But this gentleman is a family man. He's educated. He loves to deal with people. He's someone who is reliable, someone you can depend on. And he knows the information that he's going to share with you today. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to ask you to help me to welcome to the front of the room Regional Director Delbon Phillips.
This afternoon. It means when you look at the weather outside there and to see so many people here braving the weather to be here, it means that you're serious about making a difference in your life. It means that you're serious about making some changes in your life. This thing I'm going to share with you some information about the company that I met approximately a year ago. You see, ladies and gentlemen, I've been searching for quite a while to find something that would make a difference in the way in which I earn money and make my living. And this search started somewhere in about 1991, 1996, 97. I remember that year that we had this, what they call it, financial services meltdown. You see, I've been working in the life insurance industry almost all of my life. I did 6 years of teaching, but I'm part of that. I've been in the life insurance industry. And I spent all of this time building a big organization for my company, then Mutual Life. And I had big staff. Everything's going nice. And then they closed business. And guess what? All the staff I had, all the people I worked and developed for years, they took them and they gave them to another branch, one that they didn't decide to close down. And they didn't give them to another branch. So all the work that I did, these people started to work and paid them. Who didn't do any of the work? I said, well, this is not fair. It's not fair. And to make it even worse, they closed down Mutual Life completely. And all the 20 years that I gave to that company was to know there's nothing to get. That's the number. This is not the way to go. I need to find something that, irrespective of what happens, I will get sure 100% it was going to happen. So I lost money along the way. And then last year, I met up with this company called Vitality actually. And when I looked at the model, the business model that's attached to it, I said, you know what, this is what I've been searching for. So ladies and gentlemen, I will introduce you to this company that has excited me so much and the business opportunity that's attached to it. Vitalis company, Vitalis is a company with a cause. Their mission and cause really is to impact the life, health, and prosperity of everyone that comes into contact with this company. We are managed by a world-class management team. Our founder, Ryan Greer, Nick Sunnyford, and Dave Malley. Three very young gentlemen were global fools by their youthfulness. They have spent all of their lives developing network marketing companies. As a matter of fact, our Chief Executive Officer, Ryan Greer, is just 31. But he has been rated as number 13 among the top 100 under 40 entrepreneurs in the United States. He has built about 6 multi-million-dollar companies and sell them. He has been pleased with the United Nations just asked to come and give us a team for them to look at charitable giving on a global scale. He has been featured on most of these financial networks, advising people about developing business. So that's Mr. Ryan there. But the vision of this company is to become a multi-billion-dollar company. And so, if we're going to be a multi-billion-dollar company, then we need to have people on our team who have played at that level. So they went on and they found this lady called Audrey Summerfield. Audrey Summerfield was the Senior Vice President for International Marketing for a company called Herbalife. Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Herbalife is a multi-billion-dollar company. She's now with us as our Vice President for Marketing and Branding. And then there was Mr. John Tomey. So John Tomey used to manage a $4 billion organization. Ever heard of this brand? Baskin Robbins and some others. He was the main financial guy, person who managed finance for that company. He's now our Vice President in charge of finance. So we have put together these more built multi-billion-dollar companies to be a part of our team. And we've just formed a major alliance with a company called Blight International. Blight International is the largest direct marketing company in the United States. Sales of over $1.2 billion last year. They have operation, infrastructure on every continent in this world. We have formed an alliance with this company now to take Vitalis globally. So what it means is that what will take us maybe 20 years, we can now compress that into maybe a 5-year or 3-year operation. Because it means that we can leverage that infrastructure that already is existing. So we don't have to find a warehousing and all this type of thing. It's there already. And this company is a company that is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Big company. And they have decided to join forces with us to take us to the global market. Exciting times in that segment.